Hi guys, and welcome to the second part of multiplying polynomials, and this is multiplying two binomials. You'll recognize that prefix there, the bi, like bicycle, so two wheels. Bi means two. So if you look at our two things inside parentheses, each one has two terms, 2x and 4, and x and -6. All right, and those would be our terms, so they each have two terms. And so we have here two binomials. So we learned one way to do this a little while ago. It was FOIL. If you remember how to do that, you're welcome to do it. But we're going to look at a slightly different way of doing it that's just going to help us when we're multiplying some bigger polynomials times each other. Okay, so we're going to think about it exactly the same way as we thought about distributing the monomial, except this time we have more than one thing to distribute. So we're going to start out distributing the first thing in this first set of parentheses, all right? So we're going to start out by multiplying 2x times x, all right? So we have 2x times x, and then we're going to multiply the 2x times the 6, so we're going to have minus 2x times 6, all right? So we've multiplied, we've distributed this 2x, and so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to distribute the other thing that's in that set of parentheses, the 4, okay? So we're going to do more or less the same thing. That 4 needs to be distributed to both things in the other set of parentheses. So we're going to do 4 times x, so we have plus 4 times x, and then 4 times 6, so we have minus 4 times 6. All right, so we distributed the first thing in the first set of parentheses to both things in the second set, and then the second thing in this first set of parentheses to both things in the second set of parentheses. All right, so now we just need to simplify and then combine like terms. So 2x times x is going to give us, this is like they both have the invisible 1 here, so we add them to get 2x squared. Minus, here we're going to multiply the 6 and the 2, so we have 12x. 4 times x we just write as plus 4x. And then 4 times 6 is going to give us minus 24. And then our last step is just going to be to combine our like terms here. In the middle, we have two terms that just have the x, so we can't combine the x squared term with anything, so it just comes down, and then negative 12x plus 4x is going to give us negative 8x, and then that minus 24, there's nothing else that we can combine that with, so we just bring it down as well, minus 24. And that's our answer.